as I have discussed about the DBMS, that means database management system. In a database management system, in our syllabus as well as in anywhere, you will find it that SQL, structure query language, is one of the very important section and important part. That means in this particular section of this structure query language, you will going to create a table, you will going to write the command to see the queries, you will do the different pattern of queries based on the different questions. So here I have written some of these queries and how to create the table, some preliminary or simple steps. Now, first and foremost, you have to download MySQL from the free download version of your SQL. So, as you download the MySQL, what you will going to find it that at that time it will ask you to give the password. Better give a very simple password. Don't give any complex password. Like here, I have given the password 12345 6. You can give 123 or 1234, anything. Okay, so I have given your 1234. So that particular password will be your access password. When you open your SQL, it will ask you the password. So see here, I am giving the password 12345 6. So after giving it, I press the enter. Okay, as soon as I will press the enter, you will see here that it will show you the version and everything. The version is 5.5.11. You will going to find it free download version of the SQL. Okay, you can easily download it. The copyrights of Oracle, because it is a part of an Oracle section, and these are the different type of commands. Now I need to see that what are the database existed. Now what is needed to do, as I have discussed you earlier in my previous videos, database, that means first and foremost you have to create a database. After you create a database, under one particular database there can be a many tables. Okay, there can be a many tables and you can make a relation, and that is a different other case that we will going to read in class 12. In this particular section we don't have a relationship, but primary key, secondary key. Primary key means, as I have discussed you in my videos, that primary keys are those keys which are very unique in nature, isn't it? So those the particular section what you will going to find it, that this is the part of your SQL. Now how to see what are the databases are there? Okay, now you will write here SHOW, show, DATA, data, BASES, databases, then semicolon. Always line should be terminated with semicolon. Enter. You see here there are the database what I have created previously, like information schema, master, SQL, that is by default. Then test I have created here. Okay, performance schema has been created. Now here today I am going to create one more database. Suppose I want to create a database master1. So how to create a database? Create, CREATE, create. Then what to create? Database, DATABASE, database. Then master1, MASTER, master1. Why master1? Because master is already exist. You can drop it, you can remove it, and you can do it, but the data is there, so I am not dropping this and deleting this particular one. Master1. Enter. See here, query okay, one row affected. That means your database is created. Now you do show databases. Okay, create database, show database. You can enter your up key and down key for this particular purpose. Okay, so show databases. See here, this is the database is there, master1 is existed. Now you have to go inside the master1. How to go inside the master1? Because outside the master1 you can't. You have to go into some database, then only you can create a table. What you will do? What you will do? You will write use, use master, master1 semicolon. See, database changed. Okay, now inside this database what I require to create one table. Suppose first I want to create one student table data. What the data will be, as I have written it here for your reference, so that you can write it from there. Suppose a question, create a table student, where the SID means student ID is the primary key. Primary key means that particular key which is unique, which cannot be duplicated. Name address